The Earth came into contact with a rather strange object in 2017. At the time, we were unaware that anything from another star, traveling from the depths of outer space, had visited our planet. We had never seen anything like it, and it took us years to discover the true nature of that object. Now, in 2025, everything is taking place once more. Our sun is about to be visited by another alien traveler. This time, however, we can anticipate it, and the situation is about to get even more bizarre. Let's go back to the first encounter. It's Oumuamua, the first interstellar object ever discovered. It originated from another star and traveled through space for millions of years before coming into contact with our solar system. However, we were completely taken aback by this one. When we finally detected the object, it had already passed its closest approach to the sun and was leaving the solar system, heading back into the cosmic void. The Hawaiian Observatory, which made the discovery, gave it the name Oumuamua. At first, astronomers thought it was just another comet, but upon closer inspection, they found that it lacked the distinctive tail that every comet in our solar system displays. So, it must be an asteroid. But this object was acting far too strangely to be just another space rock. It was moving too fast, way too fast. That was the first clue that an interstellar object had entered our view. Everything within our solar system is trapped by the sun's gravity, every planet, comet, and asteroid. All of us are simply orbiting this immense gravitational pull. To leave the solar system, an object must reach escape velocity. The closer you are to the sun, the faster you must go. From Earth's orbit, that speed is about 42 kilometers per second. When we first detected Oumuamua, it was already traveling at 87 kilometers per second, more than double the required escape velocity. It was simply too fast to be bound by the sun's gravity. That means it was following what's called a hyperbolic trajectory, a path that ensures it will never return. Even more astonishingly, Oumuamua passed inside Mercury's orbit before heading outward again. Normally, any object coming that close to the sun's intense gravity should slow down as it climbs away from it. But instead, Oumuamua did the opposite. It accelerated. That's how it earned its name, Oumuamua, which in Hawaii means the first to reach out or the first distant messenger. It's often simplified to just the scout. But this was only the beginning of the mystery. If this object were just a rock, an interstellar asteroid, then its motion should have been perfectly predictable under the laws of physics. According to those laws, it should have slowed down as it left the sun's influence. Since that didn't happen, some other force must have acted on it. This means Oumuamua could not have been just a rock. There had to be another explanation. And here's where things get even stranger. In addition to moving through space in a way we'd never seen before, Oumuamua also looked nothing like any object we'd ever observed. We can't take pictures of distant interstellar objects directly. All we can do is measure the light they reflect. Large bodies like Saturn or Jupiter are easy to see because they reflect huge amounts of light. But small ones, like asteroids, reflect very little, producing a faint, steady glimmer. Oumuamua didn't behave that way. It was extremely bright and reflective, suggesting it wasn't made of rock. And even stranger, its brightness fluctuated every 7 hours, as if it were tumbling through space end over end. That means it wasn't round like a typical asteroid. It had both a long and short side, which led scientists to conclude that it was probably cigar-shaped, spinning slowly as it traveled. However, another explanation for this could be